Hey, how's it going, you guys? So the other day I picked up this Newborn Drip-Free Caulk Gun. In the past, I've always used the traditional style where you'd have to relieve the pressure, but this is pretty neat, so I thought I'd share it with you and do a little review on it. The way this thing works, just like your traditional one, you squeeze the trigger, it comes out, but as soon as you release, it relieves the pressure on the back side here so that you don't have to hit that button. There's a little spring in here that keeps it loose. So that works out great. Otherwise, some of the features that you have on a normal caulk gun are on here. You have a spout cutter, you have a seal puncture up here. The one thing that they did do is it's nice and long on here. So for those longer spouts, it allows you to get in there. The only thing I've had an issue with is I tend to cut a pretty fine tip on my caulk tubes. So this is a little large for that. So depending on what you're doing, it is a little bit on the large side, but at least it is long for those longer spouts. But without further ado, I'll just run a quick bead here. Not that there's much to see on it, but the main thing is you squeeze it and you release it and it stops. All right, well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.